Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make marshmallow buttercream frosting. First, prepare your ingredients by separating 4 large egg whites into a heat-proof bowl. Measure out 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1.5 cups of unsalted butter, ensuring it is softened to room temperature. This precise preparation is key for a smooth, stable frosting. Have your stand mixer ready with the whisk attachment. Next, we'll create the marshmallow base. Combine the egg whites and granulated sugar in a heat-proof bowl set over a saucepan of simmering water, creating a double boiler. Whisk constantly until the mixture reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit and the sugar is fully dissolved. Transfer this warm mixture to your stand mixer and whip on high speed until stiff, glossy peaks form and the meringue is cool to the touch. Now it's time to transform our meringue into buttercream. With the mixer running on medium-low speed, add the 1.5 cups of softened unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon at a time. Continue mixing until the butter is fully incorporated and the frosting becomes light, fluffy, and smooth. Don't worry if it looks curdled initially, just keep mixing and it will come together beautifully. Finally, let's add some flavor and ensure perfect consistency. Incorporate 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and continue beating on medium speed for another 2 to 3 minutes. This final mixing step helps to achieve that incredibly smooth, pipeable texture, making it ideal for decorating. Your delicious marshmallow buttercream frosting is now ready to use on cakes, cupcakes, or any dessert.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.